Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting up the Colab environment so commands run smoothly. First, enable a GPU runtime and then mount your Google Drive so data and model weights persist. Next, install required Python packages like Torch, TorchVision, OpenCV, and YAML parsers. Use pip for each. While installing, watch for CUDA-compatible Torch versions so GPU acceleration works. Once done, confirm GPU visibility with Torch. CUDA is available, and list drive files to verify dataset. You now bring the Yolo code and model into a runnable state. Clone the repository into the notebook workspace and change into that directory. This gives you infer/train scripts. Then download pretrained weights or copy them from Drive into the repo path. Edit the config and data YAML to point to your dataset, classes, and correct image size. Small mismatches break loading. Make sure the weights and config names match the script arguments, and run a quick model load test to confirm no missing keys. Finally, execute the inference command supplying weights, image size, confidence threshold, and source path. You can run batch or single image inference. Save outputs back to Drive to preserve results. After inference, inspect output images and label files to confirm detections and adjust confidence or NMS thresholds as needed. If something fails, check GPU availability, correct file paths, and matching versioning between the model and CFG. One key troubleshooting tip: mismatched CFG and weights often cause load errors. Re-download the correct pair and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.